Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on Windows 10 or 11. First thing you need to do is click the Start menu at the bottom and look for Microsoft Store and click that to open up Microsoft Store. Wait till it loads, and on the top search bar, click it and type in CapCut. And here is the app icon. Click it. Wait till it loads again, and as you can see, a big install button. But if you scroll down, you can have a look to see the system requirements. As you can see, my PC doesn't meet the minimum video memory required. Your experience might be affected. So scroll down and see what your machine can handle. And if you're okay with that, and if you have the minimum system requirements, great. If you don't, you may experience some issues, but if you're okay with that and use what you got ahead of this, click install. As you can see, this is quite a meaty file, although it's still under 1 GB. We will just have to wait for a bit. Finally, that is it done. Locate the CapCut shortcut and open it. Agree to the terms of service. You can manage software updates here to maximize the screen. As you can see, you can sign in with your TikTok account or another email. Templates here. Very sluggish, I apologize. It loads. Loads of things you can do. Download templates onto your timeline. And there you are. This is the timeline. We're finally in the timeline. Right. As you can see, and that is how you download CapCut and install it on a Windows machine, 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this very helpful, you can leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be able to with that, and hopefully see you next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon.